In this video, we're going to show you how to create and save a custom dimension style in AutoCAD. Dimension styles are an essential part of creating professional and consistent drawings. They control how dimensions appear, including text size, arrow styles, line spacing, units, and many other settings that affect the overall appearance of your documentation. Using a custom dimension style can help ensure that all dimensions in your drawing follow the same standards. This is especially useful when working on large projects, collaborating with team members, or following company and industry requirements. Without a consistent dimension style, drawings can quickly become difficult to read and may appear unprofessional. That's why many AutoCAD users create custom styles that can be reused across multiple projects. The good news is that AutoCAD makes it easy to create, customize, and save your own dimension styles. By the end of this video, you'll learn a simple method to create a custom dimension style and save it for future use. So let's get started. The first method is to open the Dimension Style Manager. Type dimstyle into the command line and press Enter. This will open the Dimension Style Manager window. Next, click New and enter a name for your custom dimension style. Click Continue to open the style settings. From here, you can customize options such as text appearance, arrowheads, units, and dimension lines according to your preferences or project requirements. Once you've made finished changes, click OK. Then select your new style and click Set Current. This will make the custom dimension style active for new dimensions in the drawing. Finally, save your drawing so the dimension style remains available within the file. In most situations, that's all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, open the dimstyle command and access the Dimension Style Manager. Second, create a new dimension style and customize the settings to match your needs. And third, set the new style as current and save the drawing. Remember that dimension styles help maintain consistency throughout your drawings. Instead of adjusting dimensions individually, you can control their appearance from one central location. Custom dimension styles are especially valuable when working on multiple sheets or projects because they help ensure that all dimensions follow the same formatting standards. Taking a few minutes to create and save a custom dimension style can improve drawing quality, reduce repetitive work, and make future projects easier to manage. It's a simple setup process, but it can save a significant amount of time over the life of a project. And that's how to create and save a custom dimension style in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.